you don't get.
What business is it of yours? What we?
Oh damn!
That business of mine.
Good God,
Yo,
you're crazy.
chill. It's just about those buffalo.
I got a family. A family. Don't shoot me.
All right, hey, don't shoot him.
I'll get you some answers. What the hell are you doing?
Why'd you hurt them buffalo, boy?
Why are you killing those bison and leaving them to rot?
I don't know what you're talking about.
God damn it, tell us you're dead.
Huh, huh. Why you hurting
They
them
make it look
buffalo?
like it was Indians.
Just kill him, Arthur.
No,
Kill him?
please, don't kill me. I'm begging you.
I'm gonna let him go.
All right, get out of here.
Don't shoot me, mister. I got a family.
All right, you go back to your family now. Run. Get out of here. He said, why you do that? Hold on. He really thought he's about to get out of here with the
He
hurt?
didn't need to die. Maybe he'll go tell his friends now what happens to poachers. I've seen enough of this.
I don't let anyone disrespect
We'll
buffalo.
see if there's anything worth taking from their camp. I'll catch up with you later.
Give me your shit now. You get pet dogs in this game? Oh, that's game of the year. That's game of the wait, where are you? Oh. Here we go, boys. You know, just on our way to the next mission. You know how it be. Alright, well. If this dude don't stop. Stop, shit! Oh!
If this one ain't been riding with Kieran Duffy.
I don't want no trouble, chill.
This is a no good bastard. Make him pay. You're done.
Yo, he just broke my defense. He just broke the gun out of my hand. What the fuck? What the? Did y'all see that? He literally just knocked the gun out of my hand like some fucking Naruto type shit. Oh my god. What's my horse? That's a bear. That's a bear. Horse. Horse. Horse, get out of here. Wait, horse. No, no. Oh shit. Nah. There's only one way out, and it's not to a bear. Oh shit! Honestly, it was worth it. It was totally worth it. Yo, what's up, guys? Really sorry for the lack of uploads. You know, I've been really busy with school and stuff like that because just past midterms. But if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more Red Dead Redemption 2 and even some other games, like I've been trying to get back into Overwatch. Let's just say that it hasn't been the most pleasant thing, but there definitely have been some funny moments. So if you guys just want to see more videos like this, just be sure to like and subscribe. And we're back to the regular uploads now, boys. So peace out.